What's up, guys? Your Garmin guy TIST ONE here. Today, I'm at my boy Uche's house. We're gonna show you guys how to convert a simple image into a vector file. Why would you need a vector file? You may be trying to print a logo on a t-shirt and you go to a factory and they might ask you, hey, do you have a print ready file? What they mean is that you need to make or create a vector file of your logo. Because of a vector file, it retains its shape and its hard lines and its sharp crispness no matter what you do with it. You shrink it, enlarge it, it will retain its shape. So you could print it on your business card or print it on a billboard. It's gonna look awesome. Versus JPEG, depending on the resolution, it might get blurry or just get nasty as you enlarge it. So we're gonna show you how to do it in a quick, simple way. Uche!
Yo,
hey!
I'm here, man.
Hey.
I'm here.
So this is my good friend Uche.
What's up?
So just like a quick bio, like what do you do? And
currently, man, skateboarder out here in Koreatown, full-time online e-commerce web store developer. And if I'm not doing that, messing with cars, building cars, driving into canyons, and just kind of like meshing those roles together, man. So.
and you're like, what do you call yourself? Shopify.
A Shopify, yeah. So I'm a guru. I'm a retail support guru.
Cool.
Yeah, we do troubleshooting and we do workshops and we business coach. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
So he's gonna draw something real quick, and I'm gonna convert it live.
Cool, man. So what I usually do for my for some of my work is just all freehand.
Okay.
Using a marker. This is a what is this? A uni marker that I got out there actually in Seoul, in Korea, man. So
is it like a graffiti tagging marker?
Pretty much, yeah, man. Has a certain angle, certain width. So let's see if I can do something real quick. Let's see here. Let's see.
So I see you using that shape of like, what is that supposed to be? Like a car part?
Yeah, man. So what this is it's called a rotor.
Okay.
It's like the main component in a rotary engine. But I kind of put my twist on it, so kind of made it my own. Yeah, that's just kind of like my approach with it. I've been practicing the shape for like some time, and it's cool, man. You know, like you kind of get used to it, and try and like always flip it, and yeah, man. So it's been almost a year been doing this kind of stuff.
So I assume you have a rotary car?
Yeah.
What do you have? You have like a Z?
Yeah, dude. I got a RX-7, man. An FC3S. That's like my favorite car ever. It was my first car ever, man.
Is that like a Mazda?
It's a Mazda, dude. It's a Mazda RX-7, bro. So like, I'm one of the what they call it, man. What is that movie that Tom Cruise was in, bro? Where he was like the last samurai or something.
Top Gun?
No. Nah, bro. You're a fool, dude. Taka. Nah, what was it, man? He was like in Japan, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, he was like the last samurai or something.
Last thing I saw was he was like on the side of the plane.
Yeah, Mission Impossible. So anyway, like if you're a rotary engine and it's actually, if you have one and it's working and you have a vintage, old school Japanese, man, like you're definitely one of the last samurais, bro. Because everything is like different now, so it's way different. We're all messing with newer cars, so.
I mean, I'm into like, well, I don't like driving, period.
You don't like driving?
No.
Bro, then you haven't been up in the canyons, dude. Have you been to canyons before?
Yeah, when I had my bike, the Suzuki.
Like a motorcycle?
Yeah.
Tight. Yeah, dude, like, basically, it's basically it, right? Try to add some text to it.
No.
Cool.
Simpler the better. So
Simpler the
if you
better.
could hold it
Alright.
up. So this is his logo. And what's it called? Is it a brand?
It's Rotary Engine Wave, RTRYENGN Wave on Instagram.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna have him take a picture and send it to me.
Dope.
Okay.
Let's do it. So I'm just gonna place it right above the image, right? As like close as possible, or what do you think?
That's perfect.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Like well cropped. Boom.
Yeah.
There. I'm gonna airdrop it to you right now.
Yeah. Okay, I got your file,
Dope.
and we're gonna be using Adobe Illustrator.
Cool.
Yeah. Create new file. It's like, so you know this part, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Create. And so you go to File, Place, find your file, which is this one, place it, boom, it's big. Let's go up here, change the size to 8. Oh, we gotta go find this guy. Where do you go? Zoom out. Oh, here.
And in this program too, is there a function called rasterizing? I've heard this like, or that.
Yeah, so I could go to Object and Rasterize.
Dope.
What does that do? If you just place it and close your file and open it, and if you had moved that file on your desktop, it might not show up. But if you rasterize it, it just kind of stays there.
Gotcha.
Okay, so you select your file, close this, go to Window, Image Trace, and go to Mode, Simple Black and White, and you don't really have to touch anything, everything's by default, and just click Trace, and it will do its magic, boom.
Wow, dude.
Now it's simple black and white.
Made the whole background a lot brighter too.
It turned your background into a vector too. So way to get rid of it is to go to Object and Image Trace. What is it? Expand.
Cool. Question for you.
Yeah.
What if I wanted to get rid of the 2 dots below the lines at the bottom?
Okay, that's easy. So now that we have your lines around the black edges, how do I get rid of the white? You just have to click this arrow. I don't even know all the names. I just go by its shape, and you tend to use the same tools over and over again anyways.
Dope.
So you just click on any white and go to Select and go to Same. Let's go to Same Fill Color. So what it's gonna do is that it's gonna select anything that has the same fill color. In this case, white. So you see how we grabbed everything?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna hit delete, boom.
Wow.
Now you have a vector file of your logo.
That's like, ew, dude.
Yeah, that was like under 60 seconds. So you wanna get rid of these 2 dots, right?
1, 2, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So I just click A, it's a shortcut, and just grab this, delete,
Wow.
grab this, delete.
Technologies.
Yeah, and just you want to move this guy back to your artboard, and now you could change your color to red. Oh, the color needs to be in RGB mode. Color RGB. Okay, red.
Wow.
Good.
What if I want to make it pink?
Make it pink.
Yeah.
Go here. Pick your pink. It's a nice salmon pink.
Dope.
Boom. Easy.
Nice, dude. That's so red.
That's it, guys. That's a wrap. So today we converted a simple black and white image into a black and white vector file in Illustrator. Remember guys, we're saving one garment at a time. And thank you, Eddie. Uche. Thank you, Uche.
It's all good, man. Thank you, man. That was dope, dude.
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of? There used to be a show called Draw Man.
What's that?
Dude, you never heard of Draw Man?
Yeah.
Dude, Draw Man was a
skate show?
Nah, bro. Draw Man was a show on public television. That dude taught you how to draw, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Like Bob Ross?
Like Rob Ross, but like he would teach you like different things, on different episodes, you know?